Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain how to use the AI Trend Navigator by Zeiierman on the TradingView platform to trade the Tesla stock. So let's begin. To find this indicator, we would click on indicators here, and the search engine would type AI Trend Navigator, and it comes up here, and it's by Zeiierman. We would click it, and it'll pop up here on the chart. And I will explain how this indicator works using the Tesla stock. So we would click on the search engine here and we would type the ticker symbol for Tesla, which is TSLA, and we would just click enter and it will come up. And for the purposes of this video, I will use the one day time interval to explain how this indicator works and how to use it to turn the trades to make the trades profitable. So let's begin. So as you can see here, the green and red lines. These lines are presented by the AI Trend Navigator. So the green line represents an upward trend in the stock price movement, and the red line represents a downward trend in the stock price movement. And these bars, these candlestick bars, the green and red bars represent the price movements. So I chose the one day time interval. So each candlestick bar represents the change in the price of the Tesla stock for one day. So for example, like right here, this green candlestick bar, it shows an increase in the price of the Tesla stock. So here this candlestick bar represents February 15, 2024. And so the bottom of this green candlestick bar represents the price of the Tesla stock during the opening of the Nasdaq stock exchange. So we chose Nasdaq as the stock exchange, and so it opens at 9:30 a.m. the Nasdaq stock exchange, and at 9:30 a.m. on February 15, 2024, the price of the Tesla stock was $189.55. As you can see on the very right here, it shows the price of the stock, and at the very top of the green candlestick bar represents the price of the stock during the closing of the stock exchange. So at 4 p.m., which is when the Nasdaq stock exchange closes, this is the price. This was the price of the Tesla stock at that time on February 15, 2024 at 4 p.m. at 3:59 p.m. more specifically. It was $200.23. So this is how to read the green candlestick bars, and the red candlestick bar is read differently. So the top of the red candlestick bar, it shows the price of the stock when the stock exchange opened. So on February 16, 2024, the Tesla stock price during the opening time, it was $201.98, as you can see on the right here. And during the closing time of the Nasdaq stock exchange, the Tesla stock price was $200.07. So we can see here when the stock exchange closed, by the time it closed, the Tesla stock price went down. So the green and candlestick bars are read differently. So for the red candlestick bar, we read it by it goes downwards, and the green candlestick bar, it goes upwards. So the green candlestick bar represents an increase in the price, and the red candlestick bar represents a decrease in price. So now I will explain how to use this AI Trend Navigator indicator by Zeiierman to trade profitably and avoid losses when trading the Tesla stock. So let's begin. So I will start from November 2nd, 2023 as a starting point to explain how this indicator works. So on November 2nd, 2023, the stock price, so the AI trend navigator, it shows the green line. We can see here the green line. And so this is the time to buy the Tesla stock because it's anticipating that the Tesla stock price will increase, and which it accurately made that assessment. So we can see here um, that on November 2nd, 2023, the Tesla stock price was $213.21. This was the price of the Tesla stock on November 2nd, 2023 during the opening of the Nasdaq Stock Exchange at 9:30 a.m. And then we fast forward to December 11, 2023, and the price of the Tesla stock increased to $239.59. And then if we zoom in a little bit, we'll see there's a red line, and this red line represents a downward trend in the price movement. However, this is a very small decrease in the price. So there's a decrease in price of the Tesla stock from $239.74 to $239.49. But if a person wanted to avoid this type of loss, even if it's a small loss, the person could at that point sell his Tesla stock at $242.75 during the opening of the Nasdaq Stock Exchange on December 11, 2023, and sell it and wait until the AI Trend Navigator shows the green line again, which signals to us that the price of the Tesla stock will be going up. So on December 13, 2023, the AI Trend Navigator starts to show the green line again, and the Tesla stock price on December 13, 2023, during the opening of the Nasdaq Stock Exchange at 9:30 a.m., it was $234.21. And then we fast forward to January 2nd, 2024. This Tesla stock price increased to $253.05. And then afterwards, the AI Trend Navigator has shown a red line. And so we would need to sell our Tesla stock price at that time and date. On January 2nd, 2024, during the opening of the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, we would sell our Tesla stock, and then we would wait until the AI Trend Navigator shows the green line again, and it shows the green line again on February 13, 2024. So we can see here that if we were to sell our Tesla stock on January 2nd, 2024 at $250.21 per share, we would avoid huge losses. We would avoid those losses, and because as you can see here, the price of the Tesla stock went down by nearly $62 from $250.21 all the way down to $188.30. So there was definitely a decrease in the price of the Tesla stock, and the AI Trend Navigator accurately predicted that event. And so this is how a person can can predict the price of the Tesla stock and make accurate trades, accurate profitable trades, and submit buy orders when the AI Trend Navigator color, the line of the color line is green, and submit sell orders when the AI Trend Navigator shows the red line to avoid losses. And the indicator is pretty accurate, and uh, this indicator can be used to execute profitable trades. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.